Top 5 Global Scroll Air Compressor Suppliers. Atlas Copco, DeWalt, Copeland, Ingersoll Rand, Siemens Energy. Globally, many air compressor suppliers supply scroll compressors as well as other air compressors around the world. But there are only a few scroll air compressor suppliers who are at the top. Below the top 5 global scroll compressor brands are mentioned. Atlas Copco. Atlas Copco is a Swedish company, and it was founded in 1873. This company began manufacturing air compressors in 1899. Today, Atlas Copco is one of the top scroll air compressor manufacturers in the world. Atlas Copco mainly works in 4 areas such as compressor technology, industrial technology, vacuum technology, and power technology. DeWalt. Raymond DeWalt started this company in 1922 with a woodworking machine. But it wasn't until 2000 when DeWalt purchased the Emglo Compressor Company. Since then, they are developing air compressors. Their scroll compressors are famous worldwide because of their high quality. Copeland. Copeland is a branch of Emerson and is famous for manufacturing scroll air compressors. They pioneered the scroll technology in air compressors. Since then, over 150 million Copeland scroll compressors have been installed around the world. Ingersoll Rand. Ingersoll Rand is an American company and is one of the top scroll air compressor suppliers globally. They started their journey in 1859, and now they have 30 manufacturing facilities in America, Europe, the Middle East, and the Asia Pacific. Previously, they were known as Gardner Denver, but in 2020, they became Ingersoll Rand Inc. Siemens Energy. Siemens Energy provides air compressor services to many oil and gas industries around the world. For this reason, they are globally one of the top scroll air compressor suppliers. Their technology helps to recover energy from hot process gas streams. Why are these suppliers globally top? The scroll air compressor suppliers mentioned above are globally on top because of a few reasons. For example, these scroll compressor brands provide high-quality scroll compressors within an affordable price range. They have excellent additional services for manufacturing and also repairing the compressors if needed. These companies have long-experienced workers and engineers. They manufacture the compressors with accuracy and precision. The above-given scroll air compressor manufacturers not only manufacture scroll air compressors, but also other types of air compressors. It is very easy to contact these scroll compressor manufacturers and get different types of tips and help regarding installation. Which services does Sunrise Metal provide for scroll compressor brands? For over 10 years, Sunrise Metal has been casting metal parts for different machines using various die casting processes. We make different types of scroll compressor parts such as orbiting and fixed scrolls, housings, etc. for many scroll air compressor brands around the world. Our services for scroll compressor brands include designing. In our facility, we have 3D CAD designers and engineers with long experience. Our designers use the latest CAD technology to design scroll compressor parts. We also work with the design provided by our clients. Rapid prototyping. We make demo parts at first for testing different parameters like the dimensions and accuracy. Our rapid prototyping service helps to test the parts efficiently before going into mass production. Die casting. We use advanced and latest die casting processes like vacuum casting and semi-solid die casting to make parts for or the scroll air compressor suppliers. Machining. Our CNC machining service helps in the machining process of the scroll compressor parts that we manufacture. Finishing. We provide anodizing, shot blasting, and other surface finishing services to many scroll air compressor suppliers around the world. Assuring quality. We also provide quality assurance services with the help of our experienced quality assurance engineers. They use advanced technologies to check the quality and the dimensions of the part right before we send them to our clients. What should you look for in a scroll compressor manufacturer? There are some certain qualities that you should look for in scroll air compressor suppliers before you take their services. For example, it is better to choose scroll air compressor manufacturers that have a balance between cost and performance. Some air compressor brands can offer better products at a reasonable price as they outsource their parts. Check if the scroll compressor manufacturer you are interested in has outlets in your country. If not, then at least make sure you can claim your warranty in case something goes wrong with your compressor. The scroll compressor manufacturers must have the essential certifications for manufacturing the compressors. For example, check if their compressor parts are compliant with the ISO 13485 certification. If you are purchasing a scroll air compressor for hospitals, you can also check out our tips on finding Chinese medical air compressor suppliers.